With Grandma. Today we're going to be making, where is it? Oatmeal raisin cookies. Don't forget and this little girl with the weird hair. And Grandma say hi.
Hi.
No. Grandma say hi.
Why did you take the recipe outside?
Oh, my bad.
Check it off.
Vanilla extract, the flour, baking soda.
Is that it?
No, I gotta put some more.
Gotta put like 3.
Raisins are the best.
We put in
The raisin.
1 cup of raisins.
Ooh. And we're being loud at night. When all the people are asleep. We're just awake making cookies. Oh my god. She's grabbing a handful.
No, they're packed in there.
See, that's another thing about raisins that I don't like.
So you're saying you're not going to eat any?
Oh yeah. Because I gotta try it. I've never tried it before. So I just don't really like raisins.
Close enough for government work.
Oh!
Okay.
Imagine if these got.
Oh.
Is this the one you use?
Yeah, just about 3 spoons.
We're playing Uno to occupy ourselves. Right, Zoe? Right, Grandma?
Yeah, and to wait for the cookies when they're done.
Right, Grandma?
Yes. 8,
Okay.
9,
See you when the cookies are done.
Now, the reveal.
Banana.
Well, those are done, but those can
need,
sit in a little
like,
bit
1
longer.
more minute.
So we can put some more on this sheet.
Yeah.
But those look good. Look. It's delicioso.
Close the oven, close the oven.
Shaped kind of like a heart. It's right there. But you know what's crazy is today's Valentine's Day. So
Yeah, but
So there's a little
when it's
heart.
posted, it's probably gonna be like.
time for the next batch.
Okay.
Those are out.
Good sheet, so it's not as strong as that other
Well,
one.
let me know. Okay. Not her dropping the other one. Stop eating bits and pieces. Ain't nobody told you to do that.
You did it too.
With your
You have no proof.
Yeah, I can hear
It's
that.
in your mouth.
No, that's gum. What you mean?
Favorites?
They really are.
Oh,
I don't
What's your
like
second
chocolate
favorite?
chip that much.
That much.
not much. Come on.
Not grandma struggling.
Try it.
Just
Batch
walk these
number
together.
4.
I'll take it.
Back to Uno. Right, here we go. Those are ready, and those can sit a little longer. So we're gonna take these out and put them on that plate. Here we go. Yep, that's how you do that.
How much these come out?
Oh, they're better? They're not crumbly? Oh. And we devoured those that were crumbly. There's definitely a little bit, but it's okay.
I'm trying to
Ooh,
keep
you
it
get that
right.
That one was a little baby one. No, because they're fresh out the oven, so they're gonna burn up your tongue.
Well, my tongue will be okay. My tongue can walk it off.
Hey, last batchy watchies. Crumb. Yep. They're just too good. Yep. Scrape it on up. Scrape it on up.
Last one.
Alrighty.
These are ready?
No, I said alrighty. Here we go again. Done, not done. Period.
Y'all got all that going on? Oh,
No, no.
Woo!
I got a feeling these are gonna go on that plate, but anyway,
You got a feeling they're gonna go on which plate?
on that plate.
On the crumbly or the good plate?
The crumbly.
Oh, crumble. Look at that.
Don't eat it though. Don't.
Not the crumble.
That means that this comes what?
That's so.
Well, the crumbles get eaten.
Yeah, but not at the moment. Not like right now.
Why you
You
messing
say
with
not
them?
right now, but you literally digging in it.
Sorry.
Taste it, guys.
Trying to be good.
You're trying, but it's cracking up.
Well, that one's starting to crumble, but guess what? It'll be eaten by me.
And me.
And last, but most certainly not least.
Oh, finally.
And the oven is off. We have so many cookies. You see that? Literally.
And then the other ugly one just got devoured. Each
Yes.
bag.
Cookie dishes, my cookie jar is gonna be full.
Mm-hmm.
Once again, the crumblies are gonna get eaten. Oh, that's a fully. Well, they all are gonna get eaten eventually.
Wait,
but-
it's cracking.
Oh no, that's a cracky.
Yeah, you gotta take that.
Because it's
You
not
know,
flat.
I'll just
No, it's hot. Oh.
scoop it on there.
Oh, look at that.
Because it's not flat. That's
Grandma, say we're done, guys.
That's a lot of cookies.
Say we're done, guys.
We are done.
Period. And we should have timed the whole thing, see how long it took us. I think it took us about an hour and 30 minutes or something. Take one to cook.
What time it is? Wait. Okay, we started at like 10:40.
How do you know?
It's 11:51.
That's about an hour. A little over an hour.